In this video, I'll show you how you can duplicate a page on WordPress. Now this is very easy. This method is by far the easiest way, so let's jump into it. So first you want to go to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're here, you need to go ahead and go to plugins, then click add new plugin. Now what we can do is we can search for a plugin called duplicate page. And once you search that in, there will be many plugins which can do this. We're just going to use a very simple one. We're going to use this one here, duplicate page with 3 million installations. So go ahead and click install now, and this should be very simple. Now, once you've got it installed, don't forget to activate it. So click install now and go ahead and activate that plugin. Now, once you're on the plugin, it will redirect you to the plugins page. You can go ahead and click settings, and here you just keep these on default. Duplicate post status on draft. You can go ahead and save these changes. Don't mess around with these. Now if you just go to pages, once you've installed that plugin, you'll then see all of your pages. If you hover over one, you can go ahead and click duplicate this. This has appeared because of the plugin. So click duplicate this, and there you go, you've duplicated your page. I've duplicated, in my case, the contact us page. So here's the second one. We can go ahead and edit this and configure this however we'd like. Now, if you're happy with that, you can go ahead and uninstall your plugin. Just go ahead and go to plugins, install plugin, and now you can delete the plugin. That's how you do it. I hope that helped you out.